This is Artams.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The transition from AI as a tool to AI as an autonomous agent is happening faster than most boards realize. We are moving past simple prompting and into a world of autonomous software workers and machine-to-machine economies. Let's start with the fact that the way we build with AI is fundamentally shifting. We are seeing the emergence of loop engineering, where developers stop prompting models and instead design the production lines. Think about it. Instead of typing a request, you create a system of scheduled execution and verify agents that work autonomously. What's most interesting here is the new hardware reality. Cohere just released North Mini Code, a 30 billion parameter open source model that runs on a single H100 GPU. And here's the key part. While frontier models like Claude Fable 5 are incredibly smart, they are becoming expensive and come with invisible safety knobs that can quietly limit their effectiveness. Which brings us to the next story about the hidden cost of this efficiency. What does this mean in practice? A new framework from researcher Balarashu Batu warns that we might be trading long-term adaptability for short-term productivity. Think about it. When AI provides the answer immediately, it substitutes for the exploratory struggle that humans usually go through to solve a problem. What's most interesting here is the concept of convergent predictive regimes. If we rely too heavily on these systems, we create a kind of cognitive rigidity, where we lose the capacity to navigate unfamiliar problems because we have stopped exercising our exploratory muscles. And here's the key part. This isn't just a personal loss, but an institutional one. When a company replaces deep expertise with a layer of AI agents, they might see a productivity spike now, but they risk becoming fragile and unable to pivot when the market shifts. So how do the smartest organizations handle this? Let's look at Mass Mitchell. Instead of betting on a single vendor, they have built an infrastructure that allows them to swap models as the market shifts. What's most interesting here is their trust score framework, which prioritizes response quality over token cost. In some cases, they intentionally choose the more expensive model because their users explicitly prefer quality over speed. Think about it, this optionality is the only way to survive a landscape where the best model changes every 6 months. Which brings us to Apple, which is taking a different route by embedding AI directly into the operating system. By using core AI and private cloud compute, Apple is trying to offer the security of on-device processing, with the power of the cloud giving enterprise IT teams the granular controls they actually need. But if these agents are truly autonomous, they need more than just a model and a loop. They need a way to transact. Let's start with the fact that Mastercard is already building this. They have launched Agent Pay for machines, a platform that allows AI agents to make secure payments across cards and stablecoins. Think about it, we are talking about a future where an agent identifies a business need, hires another agent to fix it, and pays them in USDC without a human ever touching keyboard. What's most interesting here is that over 30 companies, including Stripe and Coinbase S, have already joined. What does this mean in practice? It means the financial rails for the agentic economy are being laid right now, turning AI from a software cost into an economic actor. The move toward autonomous agents is inevitable, but the real challenge is not the technology. It is ensuring that as we automate our workforce, we do not automate away our ability to innovate and adapt. But the goal is to build systems that enhance human exploration rather than replace it. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow